From the moment I wrote my first hair care brand pitch until the moment I was on shelves was 11 years. Growing up, there just were not products that suited my hair and supported my hair. I was cocktailing things, trying to figure my hair out, and I discovered there were so many people that were also lacking in products. I was dreaming of what I wanted. I wanted to make products that actually worked for our hair and showed people what I had discovered. Pattern is centered around the celebration of Black beauty. Sephora has been such a wonderful partner. I wanted to create products that supported the curly, the coily, and the tight textured community in all its glory. That's why I made this. I am Tracee Ellis Ross. I am the CEO and founder of Pattern Beauty. We are a hair care brand for the curly, coily, and tight textured masses. The same products that were on the shelf growing up were the ones that were on the shelf for my mom and my grandma. As I got to understand my hair and love my hair, I also came to the realization that there were so many things that didn't exist. I was my own best expert in my bathroom. I learned the humidity affected my curl pattern. I ironed my hair with an actual clothing iron. I put lotion in my hair, trying to hydrate it. I was doing all the different things. Not only was I on my own personal journey, but I discovered I wasn't alone. Why focus on hair? For me, honestly, because there was a huge gap in the market. I wanted 4 conditioners. I wanted a leave-in conditioner. I wanted a really hydrating shampoo. I wanted a shower brush. Our holy grail is our leave-in conditioner. It is my favorite product. The customer that I wanted to serve was an expert in their own bathroom, and I needed to offer them the products that actually met them where they were. I would buy my hair products at these supply shops that also had salons in the back. A stylist is like, oh my God, you have no idea how many people come in here with a picture of you and say, I want her hair. You know what I tell them? There's nowhere you can have this girl's hair. And I was like, you're wrong. I just have healthy hair. People just need the right products. And it was the first light bulb for me that I could possibly make products. And so the journey began. You know, everybody says dream big. I'm like, uh-huh. And then how do you turn that into a thing? The response I kept getting was, okay, why you? And you need to join with a partner and an expert. The supposed experts had no idea how to support my hair in its natural curl pattern. I gave the hair care brand pitch to someone and her response was, I read it, it's amazing, we should do a line of wigs. And I was like, no, you totally missed the point. You're not the person to talk to. I heard a lot of people say you can use formulas that exist and just put a new label on them, basically. I was like, no, the whole point is the formulas don't exist. After about year 9, I decided I was gonna go and find my own chemist. I started making the goop one-on-one with a chemist where I could actually explain what I was looking for. It was about finding products that would support your hair in its natural form to create hydration, seal in that moisture, and like really allow your hair to do what it does so it's healthy. We are at Sephora now. We thought we would do something extra special and create a limited edition scent of our Holy Grail leave-in conditioner with the same exact formula exclusively for Sephora. It's a gorgeous scent. It's Palo Santo. It smells so good. I don't want to say I'm using it as my perfume, but maybe I am. Don't judge me. Even though we have grown and we're on the shelves of Sephora, we still operate to a certain extent like a startup.
It's very exciting.
We are very thoughtful in our ingredient choices. Avocado oil, shea butter, moringa oil is my favorite because that's such a good word to say. Moringa oil! It's like so good. Anyway, these are products that offer clumping, curl activation, shine. They're good for your hair, so even the Stronghold gel is not gonna create breakage. All of these things are unique characteristics of our brand that actually represent the customer because they're created by a team of people who actually have these textures. All of us should have access and be able to afford great hair products that work for our hair.
Yeah, seriously.
How water and hydration penetrates our cuticle is completely different, and how water penetrates my hair is different from how it penetrates your hair. It is my baby, so I have my hand in all of it, but now we have a team of, I think it's 17 designated employees. My underlying desire is really to create a company that is an amplification of a lot of different voices. We launched in 2019, right before the pandemic.
Okay, I'm opening the champagne. Oh my God, oh my God!
We sold out, and it was incredibly exciting to me. I was like, oh my God, we're a success. We sold out. And I was like, wait, why did we sell out? When can we refill? At the core of the brand are people who really believe in this mission, because we are not just about sales, but a company that really mixes what we do with a love of humanity. That's what makes the heartbeat for Pattern. We need the representation. It's how we all get to see ourselves and feel worthy. I don't think hair has a gender or race. This is not products that are just for women. This is products that are for people with curly, coily, and tight textured hair, whoever you may be.